All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Today, I'm just going to share some information with you guys on how you can fix your credit and how you can help others fix their credit and get paid for it. All right. So my name is Marvin Antoine. I'm just going to share with you guys a quick story. A long time ago, I got my first credit card. Okay. It was with Bank of America. I sat down with the lady. The lady told me, all you got to do is pay the minimum balance. And I was like, okay. How much is it? She told me it's $10. So I was like, all right, cool. I could do that. 2 days later, I walked out of that bank with an extra $600. I maxed out the card. We all have done it. It happens. So that first month I went to go make my first payment. I paid the $10 and I was like, good. I made my first payment on a credit card. Waited another 30 days to make my next payment. And when I looked at the bill, it said $610. And I was like, wait, why is it going up? This doesn't make sense. So I was like, all right, maybe I did something wrong, so let me pay it. I paid it again, $10. Waited another 30 days. It went up to $620. I was like, something is wrong. Then I found out about interest rates. By that time, it was already too late. I was in high school, didn't really have a good job. That card went to collections. Then I did it again, got a second chance, got a Chase credit card with a $2,000 limit. But at that time, I was just being reckless. I'm in college, maxed that out. That went to collections as well. And then ever since then, I just stopped using credit cards. And to make matters worse, I never took it serious for a long, long time. I did my best to avoid making purchases, that required credit cards. And I never built a stable credit history with the credit bureaus. But about a couple months ago, I did something that dramatically changed my credit. Guys, it was something so simple that had I done it a long time ago, it would have saved me hundreds, even thousands in interest fees and payments. See, when I got started with this process, my credit score was in the 400s. 45 days later, I got a notification on Credit Karma. It said, congratulations. I was like, congratulations for what? So I logged in, I looked at it, and I seen that my credit score went up 100 points. And I was like, wow. So let me continue the process. So I continued for another 30 days, and my score went up another 50 points. So I just kept doing it until I noticed that my credit score jumped up 200 and something points, ending up at a 712. I got a little excited, went and bought myself a Mercedes-Benz. I had to splurge, got good credit now. So with that being said, you guys are probably wondering, what did I do to change my credit score? What did I do to get my credit score to jump from the 400s to the 700s in less than 4 months? The answer is I hired a credit specialist. You see, this company helped me fix my credit. And when I found out that I can make money helping others fix their credit, I partnered with them. So the name of the company is Financial Education Services. We've been around since 2004, A+ rated company with the Better Business Bureau, totally debt-free company, 100% sales growth. And if you look to your right, these two gentlemen, Parimal, Naik, and Mike Toloff, are taking this company to the next level. FES provides a service that protects your identity, credit, family, and finances. This is called the Protection Plan. And we also provide a lucrative, life-changing business opportunity. All right, guys, so let's talk some facts. Did you guys know that 61 million people have a less than 599 credit score? Okay. Currently, 4 out of 5 people have errors on their credit reports. And over the course of your lifetime, you could be spending up to $1 million in interest rates, fees, and other unnecessary charges. Guys, your credit score is your financial reputation. That little 3-digit number, has a 6-figure impact on your life. But fortunately, rebuilding your credit is not difficult. It's really easy. You just got to find the right people and the right company to get it done. So, all right, guys, I'm just going to leave some information with you just so you can have a better understanding of your credit score. There are 5 factors that make up your credit score, guys. 35% of your score is your payment history. Guys, make sure that you're paying your bills on time, guys. Now, 30% of your score now is the amount owed. Look. If you have a $100 credit limit, do not spend over $30. If you have a $1,000 credit limit, do not spend over $300. You want to stay under that 30% range. All right, guys? So the next one we're going to talk about is the length of history, which is 15% of your credit score. Guys, the older your credit cards are, the better it is. So if you have any active credit cards at this moment, Keep them on. You want to have longevity. All right, guys, the next one we're going to talk about is credit mix, which is 10% of your credit score. You should have 3 to 5 different credit cards, okay? I'm not talking about Victoria's Secret cards or shopping cards or things like that, or like gas cards. I'm talking about credit cards, Visa, Discovery, American Express. Make sure you guys have 3 to 5 different credit cards, okay? The next one we're going to talk about is new credit. You need to make sure that you have no more than 2 or 3 inquiries on your credit. That's 10% of your credit score, okay? Now, if you messed up on any of these areas, don't worry. We got your back. And I'm going to show you in the next slide how we can help you fix and raise your credit score. So now, through our partnership with United Credit Education Services, we're able to dispute negative items off of your credit. Guys, using the Fair Credit Reporting Act, which was established in Congress in the 1970s, we're able to dispute any negative item on your credit using that law, okay? You have the right to investigate and dispute negative items on your credit report. You know, through the UCES, which is United Credit Education Services, we'll help you identify and challenge inaccurate, erroneous, and obsolete items like late payments, collections, bankruptcies, charge-offs, public records, settlements, student loans. It doesn't matter what it is. It can be disputed off of your credit, guys. Don't let these collection agencies pressure you into paying bills, okay? Don't let them pressure you. It doesn't matter what it is. Like I said before, anything can be disputed to be deleted off your credit using the Fair Credit Reporting Act. So you're probably asking yourself, how do we do this? Well, our credit attorneys do a detailed analysis on your credit, okay? After they do that analysis on your credit, they draft 3 dispute letters for each credit bureau at the same time. That's what makes us different from other credit repair companies, because other credit repair companies, they dispute one by one, little by little, making that process a long and strenuous process. But we do it the old-fashioned way, and it works. We dispute from all 3 credit bureaus at the same time. And this is an example of your portal that you're going to have full access to. You're going to see everything, full transparency of what's being disputed and what's on your credit, okay? We've been doing this for 14 years, and so far we've removed over 1 million derogatory remarks from our clients' credit reports. All right, guys, the next thing is we're going to send the letters to you. All you got to do is sign them and send them off to the credit bureaus. If you look to your right, you're going to see a few documents. This is how it's going to look when you're going to send the letters out. You're just going to fill them out, sign them, and mail them off to all 3 different credit bureaus, okay? Now, the last and final step that you're going to do is once you receive the letters back from the credit bureaus, because they have 30 to 45 days to respond according to the FCRA. Once you receive that information back, send that information back to us. We'll update our system at that point in time. You'll see what's been deleted, and then we'll see an increase in your credit score, okay? This process takes anywhere from 45 to 90 days, so you should expect to see results within that 45 to 90 day period, okay? Over here, you're going to see some examples of your documents in your back office. Some say in dispute, some say deleted. This is just an example of the reporting system, okay? All right, guys, in our protection plan, you're going to get some additional services, not only just getting the credit repair, but you're also going to get these additional services like the credit builder, which is going to help you analyze your credit report so you know what's on your credit report and how to read it, but also how to build your credit. OK, you're also going to get the credit attorney. Our credit attorneys will evaluate your case for difficult items that need to be removed from your credit. OK, and they're also going to stop these harassing phone calls that you get from the collection companies. Okay. Now, you're also going to get credit monitoring. It's an app that you download on your phone called Smart Credit. You'll have access to all 3 credit scores. You'll be able to see your credit report and detailed analysis on your credit report. And one of the best benefits and some of the things that I've seen so far on this credit monitoring system, you get access to a insurance score. Okay. And you also get access to a auto score, which I haven't normally seen in the past, but with this app, I now see it, which is amazing, guys. All right, guys, some additional services you're going to get is called FES Debt Zero, which is going to help you eliminate and consolidate debt and bring those debts down. All you got to do is plug your information into the system. It's going to show you how to break down the debt, what type of payments to make to cut your payments in half. So you save a lot of money on interest, okay? You're also going to get LifeLock, which is the #1 identity protection service in the nation. They're going to protect your identity, guys. Once your credit starts to go up, that's when these people come out to start to look at how they can steal your information. With LifeLock, your information is safe, and they have a $1 million guarantee so that if anything does happen, they'll just reimburse you for the losses. Okay. You're also going to get a financial lockbox just to protect your information, your social and driver's license, things like that. God forbid anything was to happen to you. You want to be able to have access or have someone have access to those documents so they can provide it on your behalf. Okay. Guys, there's more services in the protection plan that you're going to get. You're going to get the Rex card, which saves you 10 to 85% on generic brands and medications, guys. You're going to get a travel portal that you can plug into. So if you do a lot of traveling, you can save a lot of money on hotels and rentals and things like that of that nature. If you do a lot of traveling, you also get cash back shopping discounts from different shopping stores and networks. About 4,000 participating retailers are with us now. So you can save a lot of money on that. Guys, there's still more. You're going to get a will, trust, and power of attorney, which is called the My Care plan. You want to make sure that your assets and your things are protected. God forbid anything was to happen to you. You want to make sure that everything can get passed down to the next kin or to your children. Okay. You want to make sure that you have these documents. These things are in place. There's a famous celebrity. His name is Prince. He died not too long ago and he didn't have a will, trust, and power of attorney. So now all of his assets, which was $300 million worth, went all to the court. Now imagine if he had a will, trust, power of attorney. You have to save his family, his loved ones a lot of hassle and trouble. So guys, this is an excellent service. If you were to try to get this service on your own, it would cost you a couple $100 just to sit down with the lawyer. And then maybe a couple $1,000 to draft up the documents. Man, all of this is included in our protection plan. We also provide a system where you can compare different health insurance rates, very good services. And for those that want to take this to the next level, those that want to participate as agents in this organization, they get up to $100,000 in term life insurance. So you're probably asking yourself, how much does all of this cost? If you were to go out and get all of these services on your own, it'll cost you up to $10,000 and $500 in monthly payments. But with us today, you can get started for just a $99 activation fee and $89 a month, which is only $3 a day. Guys, this is an amazing, amazing deal. If you try to get something like this anywhere else, it'll cost you lots and lots of money. But with us, it's only a one-time $188 and $89 a month. Wow, guys. We also have a program called the Youth Financial Literacy Foundation, where from that $89 that every customer pays, we take $2 and put it into this program where we're training and educating kids on the matters of finance. Man, I wish they had this program back when I was younger. It would have saved me a lot of money. So with the money that we get from the $89 protection plan, we are giving back scholarships to these kids. Last year alone, we gave out $250,000 in scholarships. And this year, I believe we're on the pace to give out at least $250,000 in scholarships. With that being said, those that want to increase their credit score with this system alone, we have something called the Credit My Rent. Guys, if you're paying rent and if you forget a payment, these companies are quick to send you to collections or send you into eviction, but nobody's reporting the positive. But now with us, through our Credit My Rent system, you can now put up to 2 years of positive payment history on your credit. And by doing this, your credit will go up anywhere from 50 to 100 points in less than 30 days, guys. This is so amazing. All right, guys, with that being said, for those of you that want to get started on your credit, click the link below. All right, click the link below. Get started today. Don't waste any more time, because having bad credit is costing you more than it would take to fix it. OK, get started. It's only $3 a day, a one-time activation fee of $99, $89 a month. Get started. Click the link below. You're going to receive an email and a text with your login information. Just follow the instructions and you'll be on your way to getting a better credit score. Okay. But before you go, I just want to leave you guys with something. For those of you that want to find out how you can get the protection plan for free and make money doing it, stay tuned. The next part of this overview is going to talk about how you can make money helping people fix their credit. All right, guys, how many people do you know have less than perfect credit? How many people do you know don't have their financial affairs in order? Have a debt, but have no game plan of paying it down? How many people do you know dislike their current job and are looking for a change? How many of you guys need more money? You know, how many people do you know are not where they want to be in life due to their financial situation? How many of you have control over your income, your schedule, your advancements, your benefits, your retirement? Guys, I was working a 9-to-5 job, working 40 hours a week and only making $200 to $300 a week. They dictated how much I was going to make, when I clock in, when I clock out, when I go on break. They told me what to do. I had no control over that. And if you see some of these pictures, finished at 40. Where did my career go? 50 and fired. I've been seeing a lot of older people in these Walmarts and these different companies working 9-to-5 jobs. And when I look at this, I'm like, man, you guys were working 40 years, 40 hours, working really hard. How did you end up here? And most of the time I hear them say, well, the Social Security, the money that I'm getting is not enough to pay the bills. So I have to go get another job. That's crazy, guys. Well, welcome to Hybrid Marketing, where entrepreneurship meets corporate America. So let's talk about the difference between your job and FES. At your job, you have a 40-year plan, okay? Linear income, one way, all right? You have a boss that tells you what to do, when to clock in, when to clock out, when to go to lunch. You have a 401k, okay? No tax benefits. You can't will it and you cannot sell it. With FES, you have a 2 to 3 year plan. There's people in this company that are able to retire because of the income they made after 3 years. These people had $0 before they got started with this company. And 3 years, they're able to retire. That's amazing, guys. You have residual income. You can be your own boss, dictate your schedule, your time. This is one of the best things that I found out about this company, that I realized about this company, that I can dictate my time. I had time to go out, pick up my kids, pick up my boys, take them out to get ice cream. If I wanted to take a break, I can take a break. If I wanted to make more money, I can make more money, just work a little bit harder. But you can't do that working a 9-to-5 job, okay? You have generational wealth, tax benefits, and it's willable and sellable. So let's take this a little step further. What's the difference between a traditional business and FES? Well, a traditional business, how much would it cost you to start a traditional business? Like a barbershop, hair salon, nail shop. You're looking at an investment of $50,000 to $100,000. Guys, there's no profits in the first 2 years. Okay, 90% chance of going bankrupt. This is documented, guys. Most companies don't last more than 5 years. You have overhead, rent, utilities, employees, workers' comp, payroll, all of these things. And your business is dependent on you, because if you're not there, your business will not grow. And for you to double in size, guess what? You have to double your overhead. But with FES, it's a one-time 288 investment to get your business started. You see profits in the first 30 days. Some people see that 288 within the first hour of business. Okay? You have a 0% chance of going bankrupt because this company is debt-free. You have no overhead, okay? And your business dependent on a system. And for you to double in size, all you have to do is double your team. So let's talk about how you get paid in this business. Now, there's 8 different ways to get paid. The first way is personal commissions. Look, every single customer that you bring in as an agent, when you get started with this company, every single customer that you bring in, you make $100 for every customer. So everyone that gets the protection plan, you make $100. So if you find 3 people that need help with their credit or would like the protection plan, you make $300. If you do that for 1 month, every single day, you're making $10,000 in commissions. Guys, this is amazing. Now, look, you have residual bills, right? So you need residual income. Now, with every customer that signs up for the protection plan, you get a $12 monthly residual for every single customer, okay? After the third month, you make a $12 residual. Guys, there's no limit to the amount of customers you can acquire. So let me give you guys a quick scenario. If you get 5 customers in 1 month, that's an extra $500 per month. Guys, that's a light bill, that's a water bill, that's a cell phone bill. Come on, guys. That's an insurance bill, an extra $500. That's 1 to 2 customers a week. Now, if you get 5 customers a week, you're making an extra $2,000 a month. If you get 10 customers a week, you're making an extra $4,000 a month. And if you get 20 customers per week, you're making an extra $100,000 per year. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Now, this is what I was talking about when you can get your services for free. Say free, for free, guys. After you acquire 5 customers or agents in this company, your service is now free. So you no longer have to pay for your protection plan. You no longer have no overhead because why? You have 5 customers that just entered your business. So that's $500. It costs you $288. You're already in the profit. And now you have no overhead because your services are free. So now you're probably asking yourself, well, Marvin, how do you find people? Well, check this out. You have family and friends. I know you got an uncle, a cousin, a nephew, somebody you know in your family or near you has credit issues. Somebody needs to raise their credit score. Guys, there's 2 billion people on Facebook and about 1 billion people on Instagram. There's people everywhere. How many real estate people do you know? How many mortgage brokers and car dealerships and tax professionals? All you have to do is partner with one of these industries, and these businesses can send traffic to you on a continual basis. Now, the third way you make commissions in this company is called customer acquisition bonuses. We call these CABs. When you become a partner with this business, you're able to now acquire and build a massive team of agents. Okay. So now as an agent, when you bring on another agent, you make an initial $40. When that agent goes out and gets 2 customers, you make the remaining $60, which is a total CAB bonus of $100. As a field trainer, when you bring on an agent, you make an initial $60. When they go out and get 2 customers, you make the remaining $100, which is a total of $160. And that continues. As a senior field trainer, you make $240. And as a sales director, you make $380. So let's break this down. So now let's say this agent here, we'll call him Kobe. Let's say Kobe goes out and finds one agent, which is Rebecca. Rebecca goes out and signs 2 customers. Rebecca makes $200 plus residual, and Kobe makes a CAB bonus of $100. Let's say Kobe gets promoted to the next level, which is field trainer. Kobe goes out and finds Justin Timberlake. Justin Timberlake acquires 2 customers. He makes $200, and Kobe makes an $160 CAB bonus. All right, guys, let's say Kobe gets promoted again. He becomes a senior field trainer, all right? He goes out and finds Jennifer. Jennifer goes out and gets 2 customers. Jennifer makes $200, and Kobe makes a CAB bonus of $240. Let's say Kobe now gets promoted to sales director. He goes out and finds Ashley. Ashley goes out and gets 2 customers. Ashley makes $200, and Kobe makes a CAB bonus of $380. Guys, if Kobe does this 5 times in a week, Kobe is making $1,900 every 7 days. Guys, this is amazing, amazing. Sales directors in this company make anywhere from $4,000 to $10,000 on average. Guys, this is an amazing company. Now, let's look at this. You can get paid up to unlimited levels, guys, and these bonuses are paid on a weekly basis. You can get anywhere from $100 to $550 as a regional executive vice president. Guys, you can get paid up to unlimited levels. Now, as you build a massive team in this company and your team as a whole generates customers, once you reach 500 customers, you now enter into what we call the R&R Club, the Rest and relaxation and retirement club. Guys, once you get into this club at the first level, you make up to $600 monthly car payment. Guys, you can get a Cadillac, Mercedes, or an Audi. People, this is amazing. This is a $600 monthly payment, direct deposit into your account every single month. That's $7,000 yearly that you're saving on car payments. Wow, this is amazing. At the next level, the company's going to give you a $10,000 cash bonus. Let's keep going. At the next level, the company's going to increase your monthly $600 to a $1,500 car payment. Guys, there's people in this company right now, including my mentor, Mike Burgos, who is receiving this $1,500 car payment. Guys, this is amazing. Now, as your business continues to grow, you qualify for the next level, which is up to $25,000 in cash bonuses, and continuing on, $5,000 monthly house payment, and you qualify now for a Bentley. Guys, the company's going to give you a Bentley, and they're going to pay it for you, including a $5,000 mortgage payment every single month. This is amazing, guys. And as you increase the next level, you get a $50,000 cash bonus, and we keep going a little further. You're going to get up to a $25,000 matching bonus that you can invest into any investment account you decide. Okay. And then at the last level, you can get anywhere up to $100,000 and $250,000 for the rest of your life. Guys, this is rest and retirement. And now here we are. It's only $288, guys, to get started, $89 a month. With that being said, once you find your 5 customers, your services are free. Plus, you're in profit now because you made $500, which covers your $288. Okay. And now you get access to all of the services, the credit restoration, the credit attorneys, the credit monitoring, the financial lockbox, the identity protection, debt zero, pay down system, a will, trust, and power of attorney, also travel discounts and medical discounts. Okay. And up to $100,000 in term life insurance. Wow, this is amazing. You also get a personalized website that's mobile enhanced. Okay. Access to training material and information, a back office where you can track your movements, your team, your building, your growth, your sales, and things like that. And you also get access to our team calls, team training, and as well as you get paid, guys, every single week. Every Thursday, you get paid with this company. Like I said before, you're going to get access to the successwithfes.com system, which is going to provide you all of the information about the company, about the services, the products, how to run your business, marketing materials. Guys, this thing is set up. Like I said, it is a system. All you have to do is follow it and you will succeed. Now, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for success with FES? What is your level of interest? Now, some of you are going to see yourselves as customers. Some of you are going to see yourselves as agents. But I want to leave you guys with one thing. In the next 60 to 90 days, everybody you know will already have known about this business, whether it's through you or through somebody else. If it's through you, you're going to make a whole lot of money and you're going to help a whole lot of people get their buying power back. Look, how many of you are stuck in this 9 to 5 doing the same thing over and over again? I remember my mentor telling me this, that the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting different results. Something has to change, and you have to make that decision to change your life. See, I don't know where you are in life right now, guys, but I remember it back in the day when my back was against the wall. I was in a dark place. I had to take action. I had to figure something out. I have a family to take care of. So look, make a decision today. We only have a few spots open, and we're not looking for everyone. We're just looking for a select few that want to change their lives. With that being said, for those of you that are ready to take action, click the link below. Get started right now, okay? Get started right now. Don't wait. In the next 60 to 90 days, I'm going to be flooding this webinar just like you're seeing it now. A lot of people are going to see this webinar, and we're going to start plugging them in. Remember, you're in business for yourself, but not by yourself. Guys, click the link below. Get started. I'm going to show you everything you need to do, all the steps you need to take to be successful in this business. So go ahead and click the link below, and I'll see you inside.